Here is my advice for your first day in Lisbon, Portugal. Hit the streets around Rossio Square. Lisbon is famous for its tile facades. From hotels to residences to businesses and restaurants, you'll find colorful porcelain covering the different buildings in the city. In the historic Alfama Neighborhood, you could find tile shops selling the most colorful samples you could take home as gifts or souvenirs. And as the streets wind their way up a hill, you'll find the famous St. George's Castle. It is one of Lisbon's most iconic landmarks, first established here more than 2,000 years ago. The castle walls and towers offer panoramic views of the surrounding areas, including the Tagus River and the historic neighborhoods of Lisbon. Making St. George's Castle one of your first stops on a trip to Lisbon will really help you get a better grasp of Lisbon's layout, and it'll help you spot the cathedrals, museums, and other sites you'd like to see. You will want to buy tickets before you arrive to avoid waiting in this lengthy line. Each night, people gather at the castle for the sunset views. Conveniently, you'll also find a small cafe and drink bar right at the overlook. I was pleasantly surprised by the low $5 cost for cocktails here. On a visit, you are bound to come across some of the resident peacocks at the castle. They roam the castle grounds, mostly around the moat and entry courtyard, squawking and seemingly used to all the tourists walking by. As you walk the stone walls here, you will see medieval weapons down below and lookout towers to explore. It's really amazing to think you're walking on walls that were built hundreds of years ago. After you're done with St. George's Castle, one of the best ways to take an inexpensive tour in Lisbon is to hop on a tram and ride it to different spots around the city. And you can wrap up your night in Lisbon with dinner or drinks at one of Lisbon's rooftop bars.